Hi, I'm Mary Morvac and I'm a Product Marketing Manager here at NERA. In this video, I'm going to show you how NERA helps you identify pole loading risk and vegetation risk in the same context, so you can identify opportunities to capitalize your vegetation management and stretch your O&M budget a bit further without changing the work you're doing. Here, we're looking at a utility network modeled in NERA. Because this is a physics-based model, it reflects how your assets and surrounding vegetation interact in the real world in any condition, including things like high winds and flash floods, rather than shifting between vegetation-specific and asset-specific contexts. Now I'm going to show you how we bring both together. First, I'm going to turn on the utilization report so we can see which poles have structural risk in this area. Let's zoom in on this pole. It's over 100% utilized, meaning it's potentially going to get replaced this year. Next, I'm going to turn on the vegetation data. This view shows both fall-in and encroachment zones, so you can start to see where trees are close to the line or within striking distance. These are the areas that are likely in your vegetation management scope this year. Looking back at our overutilized pole, we can now see the layer of utilization and vegetation risk within the same context. If, for example, your accounting rules specify that you can capitalize vegetation costs up to 5 spans from a pole that's going to be replaced, you can see exactly how much work could be capitalized as I scroll down this line. And we can report on this at scale. To find all the places where a pole is overloaded and there's vegetation risk nearby, we've added a simple rule. If a pole is over 100% utilized, we look 5 spans out in either direction and highlight any vegetation work within that group of spans. This gives you a quick visual of where you've got eligible overlap between vegetation work and capital upgrades, so you can see exactly how much of your vegetation expense you can capitalize and what needs to stay in O&M. So that's the idea. Thanks for watching.